Hey guys, I'm Nisa Homey. Today I'm sharing a healthy dairy-free oats breakfast smoothie which is rich in calcium, protein and fiber. It's ideal as a quick, healthy, dairy-free and filling breakfast on those busy mornings. No added sugar, no banana or any cooking involved. This filling smoothie will help to keep you feel fuller for a longer time, hence ideal to include in your weight loss journey. So let's get started with the recipe. To make calcium-rich oats breakfast smoothie into a bowl, I'm adding in 3 tablespoons old-fashioned rolled oats. I prefer to use old-fashioned rolled oats as they are high in fiber. Into this I'm adding in some water and I'm soaking the oats for about 10 to 15 minutes. Now the reason why you need to soak oats is to help release phytic acid content in oats. Phytates are nutrient inhibitors which may prevent nutrient absorption. Also, for some people, oats may cause digestive issues like bloating, indigestion or gas. Soaking the oats will help to manage all those issues. So always try to soak oats before using them. You can either soak the oats for about 10 to 15 minutes, or if you have noticed digestive issues, then you may need longer soaking period. Soaking overnight is also ideal. So I'm going to soak it for about 10 to 15 minutes. Into another bowl, I'm adding in 1 tablespoon chia seeds. Chia seeds are a good source of omega-3 protein and fiber. I have already shared a detailed video on the health benefits of chia seeds. Please do check it out. Into this I'm adding in fresh homemade sesame milk. I'm adding in about 1/4 cup of sesame seed milk. I have already shared how to make sesame seeds milk at home. It's super easy to make and super healthy. Links will be updated below this video. Please do check it out. I'm giving it a good mix. Now instead of sesame seed milk, you can use any plant-based milk of your choice, like maybe almond milk, cashew milk or even coconut milk. I have already shared many plant-based milk recipes. Please do check them out. And now I'm going to allow this to soak for about 10 to 15 minutes. It's about 15 minutes now and the chia seeds has swelled up. I'm going to keep this aside. The oats has also soaked really well. I'm going to rinse it a couple of times under running water and keeping it on a strainer. Okay, I have rinsed the oats and now I'm going to add this into my blender jar. Add the soaked and rinsed oats into the blender jar. Into it I'm adding in 3/4 cup of fresh homemade sesame seed milk. Sesame milk is a good source of calcium. It also helps to balance your hormones. Hence, sesame seed milk is ideal to include in a diet if you have health issues like PCOS and thyroid. For flavor, I am using a small piece of cinnamon which I am breaking into smaller pieces and adding in. Instead of cinnamon stick, you can use 1/3 teaspoon of cinnamon powder. For sweetness, I'm adding in 1 soft medjool dates. I like to use medjool dates in my recipes as they are soft and easily blendable in the blender. However, if your dates are not soft, then you may need to soak them a little bit and then add 1 tablespoon flaxseeds for that extra omega-3s, protein and fiber. Next, I'm adding in 1 apple roughly chopped. This is the size of the apple I used in this recipe. And now I'm going to blend this on high speed until everything is nicely mixed and combined. Sesame milk has natural healthy fats in them, hence I'm not using any other nuts in this recipe. However, if you want to make it more richer, you can add in a handful of cashew nuts or roasted peanuts or even overnight soaked and peeled almonds. So into the serving glass, I am adding in 1 tablespoon of the soaked chia seeds. I am pouring in some smoothie. Another tablespoon of the chia seeds. Topping it with the smoothie. You can see how smooth and creamy the smoothie is. And lastly, I am again topping it with the chia seeds. For an added crunch and for a subtle chocolate flavor, I am sprinkling in about a teaspoon of raw cacao nibs. This is entirely optional, and my super healthy, calcium-rich, dairy-free breakfast smoothie is ready to serve. So guys, do try this healthy and filling breakfast smoothie and let me know how it turned out. Thank you for watching, and until next time, take care. Bye-bye.